University is one of the biggest private universities in Japan. The number of students are about 30,000 students, both undergraduate and graduate course. And international students, we have about 900. So our campus is very unique, and people can experience the different culture in this campus. Tokai University made an academic agreement with project 2010. Since then, we have always a project student from Kazakhstan every year in master course. So we have altogether 6 students from Kazakhstan. They are belonging to especially School of Engineering, Mechanics and Electronics, Material Science and Robotics, and Hydrogen Energy, and one of them medical student. Kazakh students generally are very high motivated and very concentrated on studying. So we are very glad to have a Kazakh student in this campus. I hope Kazakh student can be very good model for Japanese student, because Kazakh students are always very motivated, very hard study student. So good for our Japanese student. I'd like to congratulate on 25th anniversary for project. The relation between project and the Tokai University, I hope it will be more fruitful and will be expanded in the future, both in academic and scientific